Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Hey, what we got here? We got some arborio rice. Let's go ahead and make a creamy mushroom risotto. Alright, first thing we gotta do is take these baby bella mushrooms that I cut down into a medium dice. We're gonna go ahead and saute these off. Got me a hot pan. Gonna drop some oil in there. A little bit of butter. Drop these mushrooms in. We're going to hit it with a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. We're going to let that cook down until all those mushrooms release all their moisture. While those mushrooms are working out, I took some chicken stock and put it in a pot, about 6 cups. You want this liquid to get nice and hot. I got my mushrooms done up, looking beautiful. I got a pot right here. I put some oil and some butter in there, about 3 tablespoons of butter. I also took 2 shallots, minced those up. We're gonna drop that in. We're gonna let that cook off a little bit until it gets nice and translucent. We're also gonna add some salt. And some pepper. Now I'm gonna add 3 cloves of garlic, minced up. And we're gonna let that cook for about a minute, maybe a little bit less. Now I'm gonna take our rice, about 2 cups. We're gonna drop that in. We're gonna give that a mix. We're gonna let that go for about a minute or 2. After that 2 minutes is up, we're gonna take some Chardonnay and we're gonna drop that in, about a cup. I'm gonna give this a mix. We're gonna let this go until that wine gets absorbed into that rice. Constantly give it a stir, give it a mix. Right when that wine is almost absorbed into that rice, we're gonna take that chicken stock that we had, that hot chicken stock, and we're gonna add a ladle in. And then we're gonna give it another mix. Don't leave the kitchen, stay with it. Constantly giving it a mix. And you're gonna add a ladle of chicken stock right before the liquid gets absorbed into that rice. All right, check out this rice. See how the liquid's almost gone? That means we need to add some more chicken stock. This process should take about 25-30 minutes. As soon as that liquid's almost gone, add some more chicken stock. Keep on mixing until that rice is almost al dente. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. It smells delicious. As you add more chicken stock and give it a mix, you'll notice that it starts getting creamy. See what I'm saying? After that 25 minutes is up, give it a taste. That rice should be nice and tender and creamy. Now we're gonna add some mascarpone, some Parmesan cheese, and these mushrooms into that risotto. The mascarpone right there. Butter in. And that Parmesan cheese. We're gonna give this a nice little mix. After you mix all those ingredients together, give a little taste. Creamy, tender. That's what I'm talking about. If you need to add a little bit more salt, do so. If you want a little bit more Parmesan cheese, add that too. Ooh! Check out that creamy mushroom risotto. Looking delicious. Let's go ahead and get a bite. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's really good. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it. Stay tuned.